Jai Jinendra. In this video, we will know about 5 senses. Hello friends, I am a human. I can touch. I can touch with my skin. I can taste. I can taste with my tongue. I can smell. I can smell with my nose. I can see. I can see with my eyes. I can hear. I can hear with my ears. I have 5 senses.
Yes, senses are bodily organs which help us to know the world. They are the medium by which body understands, reacts and values the world. Touch sense makes us feel light, heavy, rough, smooth, hard, soft, hot and cold. Taste sense gives us sour, sweet, bitter, pungent and acrid taste. Smell sense let us know whether it is fragrance or fetor. Sight sense indicates us 5 different colors: blue, yellow, red, white and black.
And all the other colors are made with these 5 colors.
Yes.
And hearing helps us to sense the sound.
But senses can only know the world and its beings. They engage us in materialistic world for happiness. And true happiness lies in soul. But soul cannot be touched, tasted, smelled, seen or heard.
Oh, it means soul cannot be known by 5 senses.
Yes, that's why sensory knowledge has no value. This knowledge will vanish either in old age or in next birth. Even sensory pleasure also has no value. School is temporary. Money, house, car, family, everything is temporary.
So you mean even soul is temporary?
No, soul is eternal. It was there and will always be there. So, spiritual knowledge and bliss are only worth having, since they last forever. I hope now you know that the right use of these senses is to follow spiritual path and not in watching TV, playing mobile or eating chocolates.
Thanks for letting me know this. I will use these senses in reading Jirvani, listening Pravachan and doing puja.
Good. This will help you to achieve true happiness. Jai Jinendra.